Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm J. We're at Nambi Fashion. I'm here today to show you guys one of our newest designs. It's a Neoprene waist trainer, but this is quite unique. So it's this waist trainer. Can you see the reflective light? So this is a reflective strip nano-silver waist trainer. So look at the inside. The inside is also filled with the nano-silver material. And this nano-silver has a lot of benefits. And one of those is it has an antibiotic effect on bacteria and other pathogenic microorganisms. So look at this. And this waist trainer has 13 steel bones. It has 13 steel bones, and these steel bones are on the outside of the waist trainer. They're put on the outside, not on the inside like others, okay? And also, it's a Neoprene waist trainer. You guys remember what I told you about Neoprene before? Neoprene makes you sweat, okay? Neoprene makes you sweat a lot. So if you're the type of people who work out and who wants to sweat and lose the water weight, or just you want to sweat a lot, Neoprene is for you guys, okay? Don't forget that. I've been saying this since the first time I started recording these videos, because it's really important that you guys know the difference between the Neoprene and the latex one. The latex just molds you, while the Neoprene makes you sweat, all right? And another thing about this waist trainer, it has 3 rows of hooks, and these hooks are double stitched. They're not single stitched like other suppliers. We use double stitched because it's going to make the hooks last longer. It's going to make it stronger, so that when we're struggling to put on the waist trainer, it's not going to break. It's going to be strong, okay? And we all know we're going to struggle when putting on a waist trainer, right? So that's one of the benefits. Another is this silver strips, they reflect light. So if you're working out, maybe if you're running at night, and this one will give you an advantage because it's going to reflect, it's going to be reflective. So this is one of the benefits of this waist trainer, besides the amazing color, the amazing design. The silver, it's really eye-catching, and it also has a lot of benefits, as I've mentioned, okay? Don't forget it. So I'm going to wear it and you're going to see what it looks like. So this is what this waist trainer looks like on my body. It's a Neoprene, so it's usually for sweating, but you can see how it's molding my body as well. And it's really light. And look at the light. Right now it looks kind of white. So it has a reflective light, you can see. The design is really amazing. And if you're interested in the logos, as I've said before, you can print it right here using the heat transfer method. And also we have different designs, different colors. So if you're interested in any of it, or maybe if you're interested in a custom design, just let us know. You can check out our website and send an inquiry there, or you can send us a DM on Instagram, or leave a comment down below. I will get back to you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and comment. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.